Welcome to Stock Rover version 11. This video highlights the latest updates designed to streamline your research workflow. We'll explore a more efficient experience with improved navigation and personalized tools, all created to help you make smarter investment decisions. You can now customize your Stock Rover Start menu to display only the features you use most frequently, leading to a more streamlined and efficient experience. Simply select the hamburger icon in the upper left-hand corner of the Start menu for configuration options. You can select between Simple, the most essential features, Full, everything Stock Rover has, or Custom to select the exact features of Stock Rover you want to see. We'll select Simple. Notice the streamlined appearance in the Start menu. Even with the simplified Start menu, accessing the full range of Stock Rover capabilities remains quick and easy via a right-click on the Start menu. When you right-click directly on an item like portfolios, watch lists, or screeners, you'll see a menu with actions specifically tailored to that feature. For example, right-clicking on portfolios will give you options like Create a new portfolio. If you right-click on any other area within the Start menu, you'll bring up a menu that provides access to all available features. We've updated Stock Rover's quotes facility to enhance your ad hoc ticker research workflow. The redesigned feature now allows for easier management and viewing of the quotes list, a temporary holding area for your tickers you want to examine without permanently adding to a watch list. Consider it a staging area for your immediate research needs. You can effortlessly add tickers using the Enter Ticker box. Accessing your quotes list is also straightforward through the Quotes option under My Collections. We'll add Agilent to our quotes list. Notice Stock Rover switches to Quotes under My Collections and shows us the 5 tickers that are currently in our quotes list. I'll display a watch list. If I want to go back to my quotes list, it's a matter of selecting Quotes. We'll go back to my watch list. Beyond individual research, the true power lies in combining the quotes list with your existing data set. By clicking the plus button, you can instantly merge the quotes list into your current view for side-by-side analysis. Tickers from your quotes list, not already in your data set, will be clearly highlighted in bold. Clicking the X button will remove them from the current dataset view. We can toggle them back in by clicking on plus. It's important to note that by default, tickers merged from the quotes list are only visible when the specific dataset is active. Switching to another portfolio, watch list, screener, or index will remove them from the view. I'll switch to a different watch list. Notice the tickers from the quotes list are no longer displayed in the view. However, for continuous comparison across all datasets, you can enable comparison mode by clicking on the quotes box and selecting that option. This ensures your chosen tickers remain visible regardless of the dataset you're currently exploring. The table, chart, insight, and all layout buttons have been relocated from the navigation panel to the Start menu. This change improves navigation and accessibility. By placing the layout buttons within the Start menu, you can now access layouts instantly regardless of your current location within Stock Rover. For example, I'll go to Research Reports. If I want to go right back to the table, it's a matter of selecting the table layout. Furthermore, the layout buttons remain easily accessible even when the Start menu is collapsed. I'll go to All Mode and then back to the table layout. We've streamlined how you access actions. Previously, the Action panel resided directly within the Navigation panel, offering a straightforward way to initiate Stock Rover features and capabilities. However, most users have embraced the speed and context awareness of the right-click Action menu. It's simply faster and more natural to right-click directly on an item. With this in mind, we made a key change. We've removed the dedicated Action panel from the Navigation panel. For those who prefer the original Action panel residing in the Navigation panel, you can also revert to the previous behavior by adjusting your settings in the Preferences menu. Here we see the Actions panel restored. A convenient new feature has been added to the table, enabling rapid navigation between Stock Rover layouts. Here's how it works. Double-clicking on any row within the table will instantly switch your display to the chart layout for that specific ticker. We'll double-click on the row for Cisco Systems. Here we're charting the one-year dividend-adjusted return of Cisco versus the SPY ETF. If you double-click the ticker again, the display switches to the Insight panel. This double-click navigation is particularly efficient for single-monitor users, allowing seamless transition between the chart and the Insight panel. If you prefer to see the Insight panel on the first double-click and the chart on the second, you can easily configure this within your preferences. Accessing tabs within the Insight panel has been streamlined. Instead of navigating through categorized tabs, all available tabs are now immediately visible, allowing you to access any insight with a single click. This design change provides faster and more direct access to the wealth of information in the Insight panel. Clicking Insight tabs opens customization options for your Insight panel. From here, you can add new tabs to bring in different data. You can drag and drop tabs to reorder them, or edit, copy, hide, or delete tabs. This way, you can create a completely personalized view that focuses on the insights you care about most. We've streamlined the process for accessing research reports. You can now find research reports conveniently located in the Start menu under the Research Tools section. Selecting Research Reports from the Start menu will automatically load your current dataset. Simply clicking on any ticker within the dataset will instantly generate the corresponding research report. This change makes it more efficient to generate research reports, especially when you need to review reports from multiple tickers within a specific dataset. I hope you found this video useful. I encourage you to explore Stock Rover and see all that it has to offer, as well as check out our educational videos on our website. Thank you for watching.